In this video, I'm going to show you how to contact Moniepoint customer support, probably through email, phone number, or live chat. So all you just need to do, just log into your Moniepoint account. As you can see right here, I'm on my Android device. So the next thing you're going to do is to click on your profile picture on the top left right there. So then scroll down, then you can see help and support. So just click on that. Then this page is going to load for you. So on this first option right there, you can see live web chat. The second one is the WhatsApp. The third one is call. You can see their phone number right there, and you can see their email, which is support@moniepoint.com. so you can email them as well. So any issue you are actually facing, you can definitely get in touch with their customer support page, and then they're gonna attend to you without any issue. So if you want to use the web chat, just click on web chat, and if you want to use the WhatsApp, just click on that. And if you want to use the call option, you can also make use of that. You can see their phone number right there. So once you click on call, it's going to take you to your mobile call direct, and once you click on email, it's going to take you to your email, where you can be able to email them and request for anything you actually need. And you can also chat them on social media as well, on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook.